Alright guys, pretty sure it's recording, I hope. I'm just gonna take out this carpet, a few clips, nothing special. Okay. And this should just, yes, there we go. My rusty ass partial shelf. Alright, now these are gonna be 6 Phillips, and let's just take those off real quick. That was scary because all the bolts are corroded. Next, we're gonna take these 2 lines off. These are send and return, or return and send, I forget, but gonna take these 2 lines off and make sure you don't mix these up. I'm going to mark 1 so I can remember which is which. Okay, so this is for marking it up, this is for taking the lines off. I'll mark the inside one. Now take these clips off, break that seal so you can oh wait, I forgot a huge tip. The system is pressurized, so we have to get all of the fuel out of the lines. We gotta start the car and then unplug some plug under the dash. I think I figured it out. So start the car. Alright, get under here somehow, and then unplug this one. Okay, that's unplugged. Okay. Alright, now should be no fuel pressure in the lines. Now we can take the lines out, but I'm going to use this cloth and a Sharpie just to plug the line if there is still anything in it. Plug it. Boom. Plugged it with the Sharpie. Oh, that's a lot more fuel. Plug this one. Oh God. Alright. Jesus Christ. Alright, fuck it, it looks like it's out of fuel anyway. Move these lines. Actually, now we'll disconnect this connector. And we will undo those 8 Phillips heads. Now that all those screws are removed, we can fish out the actual fuel pump. Gonna let this drip and drain. Oh, thank God. We'll take this clip off. Alright. There we go. Alright, so we have our old unit. This was most likely stock. We have our new shiny boy. First, what I think we're gonna do is replace the sock. Put the fuel filter on. Put the retaining clip on. Alright, and take this top piece off. And this is a little bit long, like a lot of other people said. I don't think I'll need it that much. So We will trim it just a little bit.
Your size. Did you measure that?
With my eyes.
Nice.
You know me. Measure it no times and cut once.
Yeah, it's not like we're on the time limit or something.
It's good enough.
Oh my.
Come on, bro.
Be a mechanic.
Here, bro.
No,
I missed one.
All right. That's on. Take this screw.
Oh, damn, it doesn't matter. I love you, kids. The lower? The...
PSI.
No, like the thing itself, like where the engine...
Make sure these are nice and tight. All right, that looks good. Now time to put her back in the car.
It's like the same color.
Yes, it's an in-tank pump.
Ah.
All right. Drop her back in ever so slightly. And then we can reconnect this line here. And then reconnect this line here. Connector, connect it back up. Boom. Alright. Fuck. And now screw it back in. Now we're just gonna reconnect this. You guys probably can't see. Reconnect this. Now, before we put on those covers and clips and all that, we're gonna test that it works. So let's hear that fuel pump prime. I think I heard it. Start it up. Check for some leaks. Now just button everything back up.